Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can add testimonial slider to your 3dcart website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a testimonial slider. So let's click sign up for free. Now you want to sign with the Facebook, Gmail, normal mail, is up to you. And when you got it, click login. When you're going to click login, you're going to be here in applications and you want to write testimonials. And you're going to see right here, testimonial slider. Let's create a widget. Right here, you can choose between rotator, carousel, cards, list. It's really up to you. I really like the rotator here, so I will continue with the template. Now, you can choose which one you like. And what I really like is that it's easy to edit. You just click on this and you just edit it, right? You just right here, author name, Facebook social profile, and change the picture. Really simple. Then you can change the styles, colors, and everything. And when you got it, click save. Right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you have already, 5,000, 50,000, up to 5 million views, go with the basic, pro, or enterprise version. Let's copy the code here. When we got it, you need to be in your editor. You get there by just clicking here, edit home page, and you will have it here that you can edit. Edit home page, and you will be here and you would see that edit the home page. It's really simple, really easy. So yeah, now when you're here, just click plus, add a spacer, and click here on HTML and just paste the code. That's really simple. I know I was a little bit fast, so what you do, you just press on this code here when you, whatever block you got, and you just change it. And it's pretty much it. And this is how you can simply add testimonial slider to your 3dcart website. Thank you very much. Have a great day and